Hello, this is Alex Moore on my new Make Your Own Hair YouTube channel. I'm just pretty much going to cut straight to the chase and let you guys know that we are organizing a trip to India this August 11th through the 18th, a nice 7-day trip. And this is if you are interested in getting into the human hair industry. You know that it takes thousands and thousands of dollars for you just to get a supplier or to find a reputable supplier, which there aren't many of them. So I'm going to personally take you to suppliers that I know, suppliers that are reputable. We're going to tour the temple where they actually tonsure their hair, so you'll get to experience that. We're going to go to the shopping places, my favorite shopping places. Like, I like the jewelry and the salwar kameezes, and I like to sometimes dress like an Indian. So we'll have fun shopping. The trip is about $4,200, and that does include your airfare, your hotel accommodations, all of your food, and your travel while you're in India. The only thing that you're going to have to, that you'll be responsible for is your hair, or the hair that you bring back. You will be allowed to bring back hair, and this trip is not really a glamorous trip, but it's definitely fun if you are interested in the human hair business, or if you have been importing hair from India for a while, but just has never had the courage to go. At least you'll have someone to take you by the hand and guide you along the way, so you won't feel a little bit intimidated. I have gone to India, I don't know how many times, maybe 20 times. So I do know India like the back of my hand. And for me, it's not fun, but it's okay. It's an experience. So I would just say, get ready, get set. Let's go to India so we can bring back our own hair and manufacture it ourselves instead of them doing it for us. So if you are interested, please give me a call, or either just email me, alexamore@yahoo.com, or just leave a comment on this channel, and then I'll definitely get back with you. All right, I look forward to seeing you on this wonderful, spectacular trip. Let's have fun.